Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another vlog, and I know I haven't done a DIY before, but today is the day I'm going to. Let's do this. And my DIY for today is a play button, the YouTube play button, for 0 subscribers. I don't know. I know, but we only have 0 subscribers. You'll never get a play button for that. Well, not if you make it out of something. So I'm going to make it out of aluminum foil. I haven't got all the tools yet, so aluminum foil. Then there's one other thing I need to make this a complete play button. I'm going to sit you guys down right here. Gosh, if I can find it. Can't find it. Oh, here we go. Okay. So what you're going to need for this build, oh God, it took me a long time to find it, is, shoot, not even done yet. I keep making mistakes, guys. Actually, you know what? Never mind. So what you're going to need for this build is actually pretty easy. So all you're going to need is obviously some table space. Well, let's fix this. Good enough. So what you're going to need for this build is obviously aluminum foil and a marker, Sharpie marker. Make sure it's black. Okay, let's get into the build. Okay, so you're going to need to take the aluminum foil. Gosh, I used this one long time. Okay, so take a piece of aluminum foil. Shoot. You can crumple it up, but I would, just to make it look like a diamond play button, because they're all like crumpled up and stuff. I'd crumple it up a little bit, because you know how they're like edged and stuff. Okay. Now that you've done that, well, how big do you want your play button to be? For me, it'll be about this. Get fine. Couple that up into a ball, and then go and put it back to normal a little bit, and it'll look like this. It looks more like a diamond play button now because it's all crumpled up because they're like that. And you're probably saying, well, where the heck is the button, the play button? This is a play button, but the actual play button in the middle. Well, here's how we're gonna do it. So just take your marker, your Sharpie marker, make sure it's black again, and if it does not show up very well, just pat it down where you're going to draw the play button. know this is a pretty much a hard DIY, but it's worth it when you get done. Trust me. Close your cap. Boom, got your boom, got your play button, got your down play button. Well, how am I gonna get a case for it? Do you want a case for it? If you do, well then you're screwed for now. But what I suggestion is to get a frame, get a frame, and put it in the frame, obviously, after it dries, because you don't want your marker to get on the glass. And then put some stickers and like YouTube stickers and write on it for surpassing whatever amount of subscribers that you have. So yeah, there the play button is. Diamond play button. Peace. Wah, wah.